Hello guys, today we prepare the chicken satay with peanut sauce. If you have been in Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, in these countries, for sure you have tasted already. So now you can make it home. See you after the intro. To prepare the satay, you need different ingredients, especially the meat. I will use 450 grams of chicken. And now I will read all the other ingredients because in English I make always some mistakes. You need 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 lemongrass stalk, 2 garlic cloves, half onion, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and after you need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of water to help to create the marinade. Now we prepare all these we mix all these ingredients together after we cut the chicken and put with these spices to marinate. Our marinade is ready. Now we can cut the chicken and put inside and mix very well. If you decide to cook the satay on the barbecue, like they do in Malaysia and Thailand and so on, you should put the bamboo stick in the water now when you do this, because if not, on the fire they will burn. But if you cook in the pot like me, it's not necessary. Okay, now we can prepare the peanut sauce. For the peanut sauce, naturally, you need the peanuts. I will use 185 grams. These ones are not roasted, so I will roast it in a pot. If you have only the roasted one, you can use that one. After you need 1.5 teaspoon of brown sugar. If you find the palm sugar, is better. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml of peanut oil, 200 ml of coconut milk, again the lemongrass, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 quart of onion, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and in 100 ml of water in the beginning I put the tamarind, the pulp inside, 1 teaspoon. After we remove the tamarind and we keep on the water. And now I roasted first the peanuts. After 2-3 minutes you will see the oil that come on the top, so our sauce is ready. Now we can remove from the fire and we can go and prepare, we can start to prepare our satay. Okay, our peanut sauce is ready. Now we can prepare our satay. Remember that the turmeric is very colorful, so or you put the glove or you use the stick like me and a fork. Please don't touch it after, if not you will have the end yellow. And after I put on the fry pan very hot and I cook them. If not, you can put on in the oven in the high level near the grill, or you can make directly on the barbecue. Spectacular, guys, very yummy. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, and to watch all the other videos. See you next time. Bye bye. This sauce is really spectacular.